Hello students, welcome back to the classroom point. In our today's class, we shall discuss the relation between the molarity and molality. We shall begin the class. Relation between molarity and molality. So let us complete it in 3 or 4 steps. So here first type of relation is, let us consider the density of solution. So we know that density of solution is equals to mass of solution in grams divided by volume of solution in milliliters. Let us calculate the mass of the solution. So that here mass of solution becomes equals to density of solution into volume of solution in milliliters per milliliter. So for 1 ml, this is the mass of the solution. Then let us calculate for the 1 liter of the solution. So for 1 liter, that means 1000 ml of solution. What is the mass of the solution? Then we shall see here, mass of solution is equals to density of solution into volume is given as 1000 here, so that we can write down that 1000 D. Let us consider this is the first equation 1. So this is the mass of the solution per 1000 ml of the solution. Now, in the second step, let us see the molarity is equals to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So here we can write down that number of moles of the solute is equals to molarity into volume of solution in liter. So for 1 liter of the solution, number of moles, volume equals to 1 liter, then N2 value is equals to molarity. Let us consider this one as the second equation. Then now let us see the number of moles of solute N2 is equals to weight of solute divided by molecular weight of solute. Let us calculate the mass of the solute. So that mass of solute is equals to number of moles of the solute N2 into molecular weight of the solute. Here 2 stands for the solute and 1 stands for the solvent. And here we know that number of moles of the solute already we calculate, that is molarity. So here now we can write down that weight of solute is equals to molarity into molecular weight of the solute. Let it be equation number 3. So from first one we got the mass of the solution. Here we got the mass of the solute. Then we can calculate the mass of the solvent. So that weight of solvent is equals to weight of solution, that means mass of the solution minus mass of solute. So mass of the solution here it is 1000 D Weight of the solute equals to molarity into molecular weight. Molecular weight of the solute. Equation number 4. Now let us take the molality formula. Molality is equals to weight of solute, or else let us take the number of moles of the solute directly. Number of moles of the solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg, but all these calculations are done in the grams and milliliters. So I am going to take the mass of the solvent in grams. Then here number of moles of the solute, already here we calculate, that is equals to molarity. So that substitute all these values in the equation number 5. So molality equals number of moles of the solute means molarity. So molarity into 1000, so that I can write down that 1000 m divided by mass of the solvent. This is the value 1000 d minus molarity into molecular weight of solute. So by using this formula we can relate the molarity and molality. So molality equals to 1000 m by 1000 d minus molarity into molecular weight of the solute. Let us see another relation, how the molarity and molality again are related. So second method, we know that molarity is equals to number of moles of the solute by volume of solution in liter, and number of moles of solute equals to molarity into volume of solution in liter. Let be equation number 1. And molality equals to number of moles of the solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. So that let us calculate number of moles of solute equals to molality into mass of the solvent in kg, equation number 2. So from both the equations, from equation 1 and 2, we get, since left hand side terms are equal, we can equate the right hand side terms, so that we can write down that molarity into volume of solution in liter is equals to molality into mass of the solvent in kg. So that here also we can write down one more thing, that molarity divided by molality equals to mass of the solvent divided by volume of solution in liters. And from this we can easily identify whether molarity is a higher value or molality is a higher value in the given question. Let us see here conditions. See, molarity here directly proportional to the mass of the solvent. When mass of the solvent increases, automatically molarity value also increases and molality value decreases, because anyhow molality and mass of the solvent are inversely related. So when the mass of the solvent increases and molality value gradually decreases. Now let us see that if mass of solvent is higher than 100, then molarity is greater than molality. If mass of solvent is less than 100, then molarity is less than molality. And if mass of solvent is equals to 100, then molarity is equals to molality. So let us see how these relations we can get by using one question. If density is given, then how to relate this? Density also there. Let us see here. Density is equals to 100 plus mass by volume percent divided by 100. Let us take this entire value as X. Then from by density concept also we can relate the molarity and molality. If density is greater than X value, then mass of solvent is greater than 100, so that molarity is greater than molality. If density is less than the X value, then mass of solvent less than 100 and molarity less than molality. If density is equals to X, then mass of solvent equals to 100, then molarity is equals to molality. Let us take one question so that we can understand this terminology very easily. So the question or example question here is, find the relation between molarity and molality for 10% weight by volume solution when densities of the solution is given as, so densities of the same solution are given at different conditions. So density in first condition is given as 1.6 grams per ml. Second condition density is given as 1.1 grams per ml. And third condition the density was given as 1.0 grams per ml. So let us see the solution here. Density of solution is equals to mass of solution divided by volume of solution. Let us try to calculate the mass of the solution. Mass of solution is equals to density of solution into volume of solution. The given question here is, they said 10% weight by volume solution. That means, so let us see here, 10% weight by volume solution means that 10 grams of solute is present in 100 ml of solution. So here mass of solute given as 10 grams, volume of solution is given as 100 ml. Here mass of the solution is given, that means density into volume of the solution. Now let us try to take one by one conditions. So in the first condition, density is given as 1.6 grams per ml and volume of the solution is 100 ml. So that in first condition, mass of the solution is equals to density is 1.6 into volume is equals to 100. So that this is equals to 160 grams. And mass of the solute is given. So mass of solvent is equals to mass of the solution 160 minus mass of the solute 10. That value is equals to 150 grams. So this is higher than the 100. That means here molarity is greater than the molality. Now let us take the second condition. Mass of the solution is equals to 1.1 grams per ml is the density in the second condition, so that 1.1 into 100 ml volume, that equals to 110 grams. Then mass of solute is equals to 110 minus 10, that equals to 100 grams. So mass of the solvent is equals to 100. That means molarity is equals to molality. Let us take the third condition, where mass of the solution is equals to, density is given as 1.0 grams per ml. So 1 into 100, the total value equals to 100 grams. Then mass of, this is solvent, so mass of solvent is equals to 100 minus mass of the solute. That means we got the 90 grams, which is less than the 100 value, so that molarity is less than the molality. Like this, we can relate the molarity and molality when percentage of the questions are given. Let us see other type of the question also. If density and some solute values also given, then how to solve the question. So I'll write down here. Find the molarity and molality for 90% weight by volume H2SO4 solution when its specific gravity is 1.98 grams per ml. So this is the specific gravity also, that means density indirectly given, so that here we can see 90% weight by volume solution they said. So 90% weight by volume solution means that 90 grams of solute is present in 100 ml of solution. So that here weight of solute is equals to 90 grams, volume of solution is equals to 100 ml given. So mass of the solute, volume of the solution is given, so that molarity equals to mass of solute by molecular mass of the solute, that is H2SO4 molecular mass is 98 into 1000 by given volume of the solution is equals to 100. Its value now, so 90 into 1000 divided by 98 equals to divided by 100, it gives 9.18. 9.18 is the molarity. Now let us calculate the molality. So molality can be calculated in two ways. Directly by taking the relation of 1000 m divided by 1000 d minus molarity into molecular weight of solute. So here molarity equals to 1000 into 9.18 is the molarity what we calculated, divided by 1000 into density is given as 1.98 minus molarity again 9.18 into molecular weight of the solute 98. This is one way we can solve the question of the molality. Every format will give the same answer. So let us see the another format. See here, volume of the solution is given as 100 ml, so that density of the solution is equals to mass of solution divided by volume of solution. Then mass of solution is equals to density into volume of the solution. Therefore, we can write down that mass of solution is equals to, density is given as 1.98. 1.98 into volume of the solution is given as 100 ml. So this is equals to 198. Then mass of the solvent. Mass of the solvent is equals to mass of the solution 198. Mass of the solute is 90. So that we will get the 108 grams. So now let us try to solve that. Now molality is equals to weight of solute 90 grams, molecular weight of solute 98 grams, 1000 by mass of the solvent 108 grams. You should remember that mass of solvent is 108 grams. That means it is more than 100. So obviously molarity is greater than the molality. Now let us solve this part here. So 90 into 1000 divided by 98 divided by 108. 8.50. That is molality. So here also if you solve, you will get the 8.5 molality. As I said here, mass of the solvent is more than 100, so that the relation between the molarity in molality is equals to molarity is greater than the molality. I hope you understand this class. If you have any doubt, please do send your doubts to the classroom@gmail.com. Thank you one and all.